Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing another restocking video. So I'm so excited. And the first slime is chocolate chip cookie. Jeanne Slime Factory. So this one smells so good. It makes really good poking sound, which means it's very clicky, it's very stretchy, and it's so nice. I love it so much. It's fun to stretch, squeeze, and poke. As you can see, this is a very fun slime, and it's so cool because the bottom has all of the beads because they have sunk into the bottom, but once you play with it, it actually looks like a chocolate chip cookie. It's so cool. One other thing that I absolutely just love about this slime is that the more you play with it, the better it smells. It's so cool. And the texture is on point and it smells just so heavenly. Oh my goodness. Okay everyone, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I sure love showing you this slime. So make sure to stay tuned for other videos and remember to check out my slime Etsy, Jeanne Slime Factory. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye! Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing another slime restock video. So this one is called Fruit Punch. I just love the name so much. So this slime is very awesome. It's very clicky, it's very stretchy, and it's so amazing. So as you can see here, I just love it so much. And at the bottom, it's really cool because there are sequins, but when you mix them in, it looks also really cool. So I love this slime, and it's very stretchy, and the consistency is like absolutely perfect. So if you're looking for a consistency that's slightly thick but slightly soft, then this is the consistency for you. If you're looking for something that's stretchy and pokeable and clicky or whatever, then this is the slime for you guys. It's so amazing, and I love it so much. Okay guys, so now let's talk about the smell of this slime. It smells so good, exactly like Fruit Punch. I love it so much. It just smells absolutely amazing. You guys will think it smells good too because nobody can resist. Okay everybody, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I really love this slime. It smells absolutely so amazing. And I love it so much. And remember, my slime Etsy is called Jeanne Slime Factory. Bye everyone! Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing a slime restock on grapefruit smoothie from Jeanne Slime Factory. So I'm so excited. This one has the best texture ever. I'm going to be showing you the 12-ounce one I have. This one is so awesome. I love it so much, guys. The texture is so cool, and because I added a secret ingredient, it feels so nice. Can you guys see the awesomeness? So I love it so much, and my Etsy is called Jeanne Slime Factory. I love the name, grapefruit smoothie, and it actually smells just like a grapefruit smoothie. I love it so much. So I'm so excited because I'm having new things come out on my Etsy, and one of the new things is a review package. So I'm going to have a review package on my Etsy that you will have to pay for, but it's not going to be too expensive. So you will be getting 2-ounce slimes, 4 to 5 of them, and it depends. I'm not sure how much money it's going to be. So yes, this slime is very awesome, and I love it so much. Okay, everybody, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I just love the texture of this slime so much. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching. Hey, everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing a slime restock on Sour Limeade Twist. Don't you just love the name? So this is a very nice slime. It is clicky, stretchy, and very pokeable. I love it so much. So, this slime is very stretchy. I cannot even get over it. So, yes, and the smell is very nice. It smells exactly like limeade. And the color is really amazing. Okay, everybody, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember, my Etsy is Jeanne Slime Factory, so make sure you check it out. So, thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye! Hey, everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing another slime restock. This one's on Sour Limeade Twist. Jeanne Slime Factory. So this one is very nice texture. It's like perfect, and it's not sticky at all. It's very clicky, stretchy, and so nice. So yes, I love this texture so much, and it smells so good. It's absolutely amazing. It definitely smells just like lemonade. Very nice. So yes, I love this slime so much, and if you guys ordered this from my slime shop, I bet you would too. And my slime Etsy is called Jeanne Slime Factory. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and comment down below if you were to order from my slime shop, which one would you order? Thanks for watching. Bye!